Hello guys! Good morning! So as a homeowner, kailangan natin protektahan ang ating bahay. That is using a smoke detector. So today guys, we're gonna feature a smoke detector that we're gonna try. And it's Xsense smoke alarm. My husband will demonstrate to you guys on how to use it. Alright. So ito guys yung wireless smoke alarm from Xsense. And so, we got two of these. Pwede siya isa sa kusina or sa kitchen and then sa bedroom. And then they're connected. Pag nag-alarm siya sa kusina, mag-alarm din siya sa bedroom. If you have a bigger home, you can use more of these.
Drill a little hole where your screws are going to go. Base plate into the wall. And just put the unit on the base, turn it to lock it.
Oh wow.
There you go.
Way.
Push the button once to test it.
There you go.
That one's ready.
Yeah.
We'll put up the next one and then we'll demonstrate how to test both of them together.
Oh,
See if they're interlinked.
Yeah.
The two units that you get together are already linked together, but I will show you how you can add more. You can have up to 24 interlinked together. Now these don't work on your home Wi-Fi. They create their own Wi-Fi network. So that's nice in case your power goes out and you don't have Wi-Fi. They will create their own network to interlink. And it comes with a handy remote to test it, so you don't have to get up on the ladder to test. We can demonstrate how to interlink when you have more than two. If you want to add more, press the test button 4 times. And then the other unit press twice. So they're both linked together now. Do the same process if you want to add 2 or more to this network. So it's very simple. To test the units with the remote, see if they are linked, press and hold the button on the remote for 7 seconds. You will see both the red lights and both units flash. It shows they are both working and connected together. See both? Now if this was in another room, it would do the same.
Oh.
And we'll test that later. Okay. And just release the button to stop. Yeah. I have the base plate pin. My
Base
helper.
plate pin.
Main unit for helper Benjamin. Thank you.
Yeah.
Position it on the base plate and lock it. Test it. There you go. It'll take about 7 seconds. And continue to hold it while you walk in there to make sure that one is connected. Yep.
There you go. This is the other one. It's connected.
With your old smoke detectors, if you're upstairs and if there's a fire in the kitchen, you probably wouldn't hear the alarm sounding. But with these, if there's a fire in the kitchen, it will set off the detectors in the other parts of your house to warn you of the fire. So
Yay.
they can save your life. And the unit lasts about 10 years on the unit. So it's very good. I think a 60-day worry-free return warranty and a 5-year warranty on the unit. So, and you can get an extended warranty if you want. So be sure to check out the Xsense wireless smoke detectors in the description box below. Thank you.
So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also check out their website I will link it in the description box below. It's xsense.com. And also, for you guys who want to try our smoke alarm, you'll have a 20% off discount your first order using our code 20Fil-am. So anyways, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Bye! So, natagpuan na natin yung colors. Ito yung mga brand. Ito pa, meron pa dito. Iba-ibang klase. Guys, meron tayong fruit tree. Ito guys, cherry. Bing cherry. Sige kuya. Baba kuya. Okay. Hop, doon. Sige, doon. Basta doon. Sige, yan. That's the only eh. Hello guys. So, hindi ko pa na-check ang garden anong oras na mga 5:30 na. Hindi ko pa na-check ang garden kasi umulan kahapon. Hindi, half day kahapon tapos ngayong umaga. So, ngayon ko lang siya checkin, pero it's good na umulan para hindi na tayo magdilig. Natapos na ni Daddy to. Ay, baka dagdagan pa to ni Daddy. Dito lalagay yung tiny house na binili natin. Pero ano pa to? Idadagdagan pa ni Daddy to. Tapos, ang daming talbos, Talbos, ito ay purple na talbos. Purple potatoes. Pati ito. Kulang lang pala to sa dilig. Ito guys. Ayan. So, hey. Ayan, si Ben. Bumili kami ng kakarating lang namin galing sa city. So yan. So, tatanim ko pa to guys. Alam niyo guys, sobrang busy ko kasi nga sa school ng mga bata hindi ko pa to naasikaso. Dapat maitanim na to ngayon na. Bumili rin kami ng tulips. So maglalagay ako ng mga wood chips dito guys. Tatanim natin. Tapos ito naman siguro hayaan ko na lang siya dito sa ating pot. Itong peaches, wala na akong time na i-transfer siya guys. Baka late na. So, hindi ko alam. Ang ating ampalaya, oh my goodness, napakadami niyang bunga. Ayan. Meron tayong ha-harvestin. Meron pa ako guys na nando sa bahay. Sana hindi pa siya mabulok. Ang daming bulaklak, especially umulan. Yun. Lagay ko to dito. Okay. Ito pa.
I put tallies on already.
Really? So yan, lagyan na natin si Bebang nitong Ceresto guys, yung napili natin. Ayan, gaya ng inyong mga recommendations. Reflector? At night?
Yeah.
It's like light. So yan. So ito yung kay Bebang na collar, flea collar. Para naman si Bebang fashionista si Bebang. Si Kali daw meron na. We have to get her. Bebang! Come on! Out! Come on! Bebang! Nakita ni Bebang. Halika Bebang! Ayan na, eto na. Tago mo. Yan. Eto na. No. Ay, she might bite you.
Okay.
Keep it tighter para it won't.
Cause
Wait.
I put this reflector. I can't tighten it down.
I don't know.
He said meow. He once said.
Take it pa, Deddy. More. More.
Like,
Para sa ikabubuti ng ekonomiya, bebang. Ano, massage, Ben. Massage.
Hmm? Oh.
diba?
Bebang. Just pull it like.
Mama, my flower fell, Mama.
Okay.
Mama fell.
Oh no, that's okay. It'll come back. It'll come back, Ben. Is that enough? Yeah, I think that's good. Ayan na, oh, di ba, bebang? Yes, oh. May reflector pa si bebang. Oh, social. Yan na. She's excited.
Yeah.
She doesn't like it, but
Like it. That's right.
naku naman, ay, mayroon pang ano, pa diamond si bebang. May reflector pa eh. Aha. She doesn't like it, but I don't think it'll come off because it's pretty, it fits really good. Wow, ang ganda ni Bebang, oh. May kwintas. Ang mahal, guys, niyan. Ang mahal ng kwintas na yan. Ano, ang ganda ng kwintas na yan, guys. Ano siya eh, maganda rin ang presyo. Magkano yung kwintas? Naku naman, pinapaganda natin si Bebo. Oh, wow naman. May ano pa, reflector pa. Naku. Social. Parang celebrity si Bebang eh. Oh, may kwintas pa eh. Grasshopper, oh, nagka-camouflage siya sa ano.
It's not camouflage.
Yeah, the ano, sa brown leaf. Ayun.
But it does.
Did you step on it?
No, it's just hiding. Ano. And, okay guys, so ngayon, meron din tayong binili ng mga fruit trees. Ayan, kailangan natin siyang maitanim. Siguro bukas na lang. Pag hindi ako busy, hindi rin pa, baka in few days na lang. Kasi guys, kailangan na, ano muna talaga tong si Ben. Pinabayaan na yung kanyang cactus. Nagpabili si Ben ng cactus. Ayun guys. So, dyan muna yan. Yan tanim natin next time. Ala, si Kali, meron na rin siyang, ayan, yung seresto na anong tawag dito? Yung necklace. Ito yung nabili ni Kuya. Napili niya sa, Dollar Tree. So, yan, isa dun sa mga 5.
With a ram.
Meron pang ramp. Gusto niyang ipakita. So, guys, ito yung nabili natin. Sobrang mahal niya, guys. Sa store is $67.99. So, nag-check si Daddy online. Sa PetSmart is $59 lang. So, kinompare yung price. May ganun kasi dito eh. Pwede mo yung i-compare. Pakita nyo lang. Na ba't dun sa isang store ganito? So, meron yun. Ang tag dito. Nangangati ako. So, magiging parehas. Ipaparehas nila yung price. So nakatipid tayo ng $8 sa dalawa. So, bale, $16 sa dalawa yung natipid natin. So, yan. So, hopefully, good for 8 months daw to. So, try natin to. Hopefully, okay na. Ayan. Okay ka na? Ganda nyo ah. May mga naka-necklace oh. Hello guys. So, hindi tayo naka-harvest for 2 days dahil umuulan and busy kami. Hey! Aba! Hi Ben! Ayan ang mga bata. Yung binili nating lobo sa Dollar Tree.
Mama, I saw something.
What? Ayan, natapos na ni Daddy yung ano natin dito. Yung lalapagan ng ating tiny house. Paulit-ulit na ako dun sa tiny house na yun. So, ito na yung last harvest natin ng ating blackberries dahil wala na guys. Tapos na ang season. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pag darating yung time talaga na mauubos din. So, ito na yon. Kasi September na. Normally talaga end of August. Tapos na siya. Okay. So, medyo hindi na maganda. Okay. So, ito yung nauuna. Ito yung late natin na Blackberry. Harvest na natin para medyo umaano na, hindi ganun kainit na. Kasi September, na guys. So, medyo mahalumigmig na. So, pipikin ko siya. Ayun, nahulog na. Kasi, guys, mabubulok na to sa, niya, hindi na to magbubulaklak or sisibol ulit. Hindi ganun kasi ang blackberries eh. Once lang siya. Ay, ito, nahuhulog na. Hindi ko alam kung... Wow! I like your balloon. Na blackberry. Wow! Na-miss niya yan. Kasi ilang araw silang hindi kami nakapamitas. Sweet? Yeah, sweet na siya. Ito guys. Ito medyo pa. Bumalik ako. Ben, blackberries. Oh, halika. Super sweet guys ng blackberries. So, hinugasan ko na rin siya. Halika, Ben. Halika. Kuya and Ben, halika. Oh. Oh, Ben. Ito. Hinugasan ko kasi medyo overripe. So, yan, Ben. So, yan. Nasa itim na hindi nyo makita. Go ahead. Kuya, oh. Yan na yung last blackberry harvest natin. Pero malalaki pa rin siya, oh. Yan. So, hayaan ko muna kumain. So, kunin na natin to. Okay. Nagpalit ako ng battery, guys. Kasi nawala. Ah, ito pa. So, ito na, guys. Oh, yan na. So, yun nga, guys, sabi ko, ito meron pang mapupula. So, ma-harvest pa natin yan paunti-unti. Meron pang matitira yan. Pero, yun nga, hindi na siya ulit magbubunga. Okay. Ito, sobrang hinog na, oh. Nalalaglag na siya, guys. Kanya naman to. Pag sobrang lambot, ibig sabihin, matamis siya. Itong isang variety na to, para matamis siya, yung talagang nahuhulog na siya sa sanga. Ayan, oh, naglalaglag. Okay. So, kailangan natin itong makuha. Ay, nalaglag na. Kahit to nalaglag na siya, yun matamis yun. Pero pag yung parang pilit, yung guti mo hindi masyado, half tamis, half yan. Itong variety na to, para ano mo siya na matamis, ayan, dapat yung sobrang hinog siya. Pero yung kabila, ito talaga yung matamis. Basta umitim, matamis. Oh, grabe, tikman ko. Ang sarap. Actually, maasim to pagka hindi yung hinog. Pag yung hindi malambot. Ayan. Uy, tingnan nyo, lalaglag na. Sabihin matamis yun. Pag nalaglag, hintayin nyo mo nang malaglagay nito. Pa natin to. Over na. Parang lasang wine na. Blackberry wine. Okay guys, sobrang madami. Ang ating last harvest. See you next year guys para sa ating blackberries. Next year na ulit natin to makikita. Summer lang to, 2 months lang to. Okay. Ayun guys, so di ko lang kung nakikita nyo kasi itim yung aking lalagyan. Uy, grabe. Pag naman sobrang lambot, bulok na yung guys. Tingnan to. Ayan.
Tastes like a tomato. This tastes like a tomato. I hear a rat.
Okay guys. So yun lang ang ating harvest. Ayan si Deddy. Namimitas ng ano. Ano yan? Tomatoes, Deddy? Cucumbers? Which cucumber? Yeah? May I see? Is there a lot? Let me see. Let me see. Is it big or small?
It's big.
Big?
Bundle.
What color?
Let's grab it. Green.
Green? Okay. Ito guys. Wow. There it is. It's squirt. Is it ready already? Ah, even if it's still green.
Yeah, these are. They're over right here.
They're over, right? Oh, okay. That was has a rot.
Yeah.
There's more here. Try it. Try it. Ito pa, meron pa dito.
No, it's sweet. It's sweet.
You try it.
Oh! He's trying to prank you. Pinapakain ni Ben si Daddy ng ano. Yung jalapeno yung.
That's not so bad.
No, you just thought that it's sweet.
More tangy than hot.
Ikaw, Ben, try it first and then you tell Daddy.
Try
if
a
it's sweet.
green pepper.
Daddy, try it first, Ben. You try it and then.
No, I don't.
Yeah?
We forgot to put that cherry and I got it. We have a bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Hey, we still have ano oh, raspberry. This one is sweet. When it's red like that, it's sweet. Ito. It's not rotten.
No.
Those are sweet. Except for the one with red. Yeah. Except for the one with red. Yeah. Meron pa rin tayong kaunti. Kain ko sa mga bata. Thank you guys for watching our vlog for today. And sana enjoy nyo ang video na ito. And see you guys on the next vlog. Be yourself. Be natural. Have a wonderful day. Bye!